For the very first time in my entire hair journey, I have finally found a drugstore product that I can actually use all of it within the set that I bought. This is the L'Oreal Bond Repair pre-shampoo, the rescue pre-shampoo, then the actual shampoo, then the conditioner and the serum all in one. I was able to successfully use all of them, and I'm going to be able to use them all because the shampoo is something free. I've never been so excited. I've been dying to try this product for the longest time, but I finally managed to get my hands on it. I mean, can you tell my excitement? So I went in saturating my hair. The consistency of the rescue pre-shampoo treatment, the 12%, really threw me up a little. I was not expecting it to be that thick, but then again, I don't know what it is I was expecting. This is not a product I've used before. It went on the hair really well. I'm just trying to show you guys the consistency. It's like creamy. On the thicker side, it wasn't running everywhere. Really, really good. I love it. It feels premium. All of this product feels premium. Like when it get on the hair, it feels a very expensive product. So it says to apply, dampen the hair and apply the rescue pre-shampoo treatment. It is an intensive treatment. To apply it on hair, massage it in and leave for 5 minutes and rinse it out. So I figure by the time I was walking it in, 5 minutes would have been gone. I was loving what I was seeing. Really, really soft hair. I feel like this one here, this is gonna be my go-to product for co-washing because my hair felt so soft. Really soft. I'm sure you can tell the excitement. Like I was buzzing in the shower. I don't even know how I managed to not have a fall down in there because it's so slippery. Then I went in with the actual shampoo. It is a sulfate free. This one gave me even more buzzing than I thought I'd ever be. It reinforced the inner broken hair bond. This is the 5% bond repair complex with citric acid. So I thought even the consistency, it just feels like proper. I've used some of the expensive hair products like Clarissa's and Olaplex. I know what their product feels like. This one feels like that. It feels proper premium. So the shampoo went in nicely. It almost feels like it lathered up well. It almost feels like, I don't know, like you're washing your hair with a conditioner. My hair was not stick together, as you can see me dividing it. I could see separate my hair nicely. This is a game changer, guys. This is a product I can just pick up in my local Boots, Super Drugs, places like that. While I'm doing my food shopping, I don't longer have to wait for delivering post, ordering product online. This is a game changer. I do not know why I've not given this a try. I don't know why I've waited this long to give this a try. I cannot believe my eyes. Can you see my hair, guys? It's nice. It's fluffy. My hair feels like, when you've done a heavy duty hair treatment. Yeah, that heaviness you expect to feel. Not heaviness in a bad way, but extremely moisturized hair. That was how my hair was feeling. I had to mute it because there was some noise in the background. There was radio playing in the next room. So I tried to talk as I go along because I was absolutely like off my head with excitement using this product. The whole set costed £28 in Boots. That is the shampoo, the pre-shampoo, the conditioner and the serum. That is not bad. For what I'm seeing so far, I've used the pre-shampoo intensive treatment, then I've used the shampoo. So now I am gonna move on, adding on the conditioner. I don't even think I need the conditioner at this point. My hair felt so good. But for the sake of this video, I'm going in with the conditioner. So you guys gonna have to bear with me. Again, the conditioner have that thick, like luxury feel to it. It's not running, just absorb into the hair nicely. You guys gonna have to bear with me because it is cold, really cold. The weather is cold. So opening that showering door down while recording, because I have to do that so that you guys can see what I'm doing, it means I was absolutely freezing. So I was quite in a rush to get this done. I think I should have done 2 shampoos instead of 1, because the first, that pre-treatment product lifted like a dead skin or product build up. It lifted them up from my scalp. So I think 1 shampoo wasn't enough. So when I'm blow drying the hair, or once I finish rinsing the hair, I feel like I could have used with doing a second shampoo. I only did 1 shampoo, didn't I? So I could have used with doing just 1 more shampoo to further, you know, I just wanted to get in the shower and get out. I was absolutely freezing because the door of the shower is open. That means, yeah, it was never getting warm, even though the radiator was on. So yeah, next time I know I will definitely, once I use the pre-shampoo treatment, I will definitely be doing 2 shampoo. And because it's a sulfate free shampoo, I mean, for once I don't have to even, you know, leave the shampoo aside like I usually do with other of my L'Oreal products, because they are like regular shampoo, they're not sulfate free. That means I can't be using it on a weekly basis. Guys, I can use this on a weekly basis. It's meant for all hair types. You know, that is meant for damaged hair. It's meant to supposedly repair the bond of the hair. So yeah, my hair is not damaged per se, yeah, but because I relaxed my hair, that kind of put me in that category, don't it? So you can see when I applied the conditioner, I did apply it from length to from my scalp to the ends of the hair. So unless you've got my hair type, the recommendation they say to apply it mid-length to the tips of the hair. So don't apply it the way I did unless you've got your hair is also relaxed like mine. The conditioner they say to leave it on for 3 minutes. The pre-shampoo says 5 minutes and the conditioner is 3 minutes. So the hair coming out of my hair, I haven't combed my hair in 2 weeks, next to none. This product is making my hair feels like I've just done a heavy-handed, some extremely, a bit more like my Queen Helen conditioner. Yeah, because it's thick and it's very moisturizing. This is what I can use to describe this. I've not stepped out of the shower. This is all in one. I'm not hopping in and out of the shower. I'm not hopping in and out of the, what's it called, air dryer. This is, are you guys even, you guys not gonna understand this, what this means in my busy life. You know one thing about, what everything getting advanced is the fact that products like this are also getting advanced. They've created this so brilliantly. Like, this is a game changer for me. Like, I could literally wash my hair on a weekly basis and not have to worry about going under the dryer because my hair felt good. Honestly, my scalp was clean. I just needed to do 1 more shampoo, like I said, to rid of that whatever was lifted from my root, to fully or rinse the hair a bit more or something. I don't know. You could see that whiteness, but at least I could see as I was watching the video back. But other than that, I'm loving this product. I just don't know why I waited this long to give this a try. L'Oreal, you guys have done it. Like, you've done it. I don't know what else to say. Honestly, you guys, you just like, I don't know what else. So I left that t-shirt on my hair to absorb the excess water. I'm trying over and over to smell my hair to smell this product so I could tell you guys what it smells like. Unfortunately, you have to bear with me. I could not smell shit because I'm full of cold. If you can see here the way I speak, I can't smell nothing. It's like nothing. So maybe in the future I might be able to. So for now, I'm going in with the serum. So I used 3 pumps on each side of the hair. I was a bit confused. The serum was just serum. There was not really a lot to it, just serum. So this is supposed to act as a heat protectant, as well as you know, temp freeze and stuff like that. So I know other L'Oreal products I've used in the past, they smells good. So I'm hoping this is the same. So sorry guys, I couldn't tell you how what this smells like. If you've used it or you plan on using it, once you have done, please let me know. I could be walking around smelling like shit. Let God knows, but hey, something I have to give. So there was nothing to comb. On one side, I sectioned it as I usually do, you know, to detangle it. On the other side, I never bothered sectioning it because literally my hair felt really soft and manageable. I mean, I cannot rave about this product enough. That is me picking on my gray hair. My hair is full of gray. I'm getting old, really old. So now I'm going in with my Dyson blow dryer. This is literally in and out. This bad boy here, blow dry your hair like no man business. Going in there just to blow dry it. I haven't straightened my hair. I did not flat iron it. Just blow dryer is all I need. I don't remember last time I straightened my hair, but I do regularly blow dry it every time I wash my hair because it's just too cold and I cannot handle cold. So I went in there and give it a blow dry on a kind of a cool air setting on that dryer. And yeah, my hair felt good, really, really good. Yeah, 2 of the claim of this product is 98% less breakage. That was fact. And 90% more shine. Again, that was fact. Just look at that shine my hair has gotten. I haven't straightened my hair, only lightly blow dry. That's it. To have that shine, and the camera is not even doing it justice. So thank you so much, L'Oreal. You have finally make my product junkie dream come true. Thanks for keeping us relaxed girls / afro hair in mind when you develop your products. Oh yeah, look at my hair, guys. Come to mommy. Isn't it stunning? It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm in love. In love right now. I'm so in love.
What can I say? This concludes everything. You guys feel me? I'm buzzing.